strange events, peculiar circumstances, weird scenarios, AI, and things of that nature. Tune in and subscribe. Hello. This is the Bowie Knife on our show, What If? And I'm drinking soda over here, sugar-free, pineapple, coconut, watery beverage. So if I belch unexpectedly, excuse me in advance, I gotta keep talking. Anyway, so today's topic is on these humanoid AI robot things they're trying to come out with. And I gotta set it up a little bit. So they're gonna come out with these robots that are like humanoids. It can be like humans walking around. And so I was thinking, what if you could purchase one of those robots and it could be like property, meaning I could put it in my car and have it help and chauffeur disabled senior citizens to their bingo halls or something, or I could send it to a job to do manual labor. And the more advanced the robot is, the more it can do and comprehend, and the more money it can get. What if I got such a highly designed AI robot that it could do like jobs like what a genius could do? So I can like send it to like a laboratory, and it can get like a laboratory wage job, and all I have to do is maintain it. Let me think. What if I got a robot and put it inside a Tesla and then had it just chauffeur around people all day like Uber and Lyft, those type of places, pick up groceries and stuff. Those apps. What if I could have him pick up one of those rich businessmen from the airport dressed up like one of those Japanese schoolgirls or something? You understand that? And take it to his hotel room, man, and I just fill a brain up with all kind of interaction type software. Anyway, this episode of What If. Thanks for listening. I kind of drifted off there a little bit like I always do. Do something good. What if? God bless. Yeah.